Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Welcome back. Oh, we were feeling the heat and humidity today, weren't we? In fact, Corpus Christi ended up with 94 for the high temperature. That was the final high in Corpus Christi. 98 at Robstown today. Yeah, a lot of humidity too. And 98 at Alice, 90 at the Naval Air Station. Right now in Corpus Christi, we're still seeing some sunshine and 90 degrees and 18-mile-an-hour wind. That dew point is still up at 73 with 94 degrees right now in Kingsville. The wind not quite as strong as we have our cold front sitting just to the north of us now, and that is bringing some cooler air. You can see down to about San Angelo, Austin down to 79, but we're still in that hot, sticky air now. However, that'll change when those northeast winds become gusty this evening. Here's a look at Doppler 10 radar. If you look at the last few loops of frames of this, you can see that the showers and thunderstorms are developing toward the south and west along the front. And although we just have a couple of little showers in our area now in Bee County, mainly south of Beeville and George West, you can see up farther to the north and east in Victoria, south of there, they're getting some thunderstorms. So that line will continue to expand to the south and west. It'll still be hit and miss thunderstorms though, but many of us should see some rain from that through the evening. If you don't get the rain from that, you might just get some later tonight. In fact, it looks pretty likely late tonight from that trough of lower pressure in Mexico. The bulk of the energy of that, however, is going to go to our south. So we aren't going to see as much rain as southern Texas will. But nevertheless, we have that rain in the forecast late tonight. All right, the severe storm potential is very low. We could get an isolated thunderstorm that produces damaging wind or large hail, but the risk is in that marginal range, which means isolated, and it's mainly in our west-southwest counties. So that front continues to move to the south. Showers and a few storms with that around 8 to 9 in Corpus Christi, pushing south to through Kingsville by about 10, and then you can see that line pushes off the coast before we see toward morning those showers and storms with that next wave move across the area, bringing some rain to the area early in the day tomorrow, and then that decreases. However, we'll still see that potential of a stray shower at the coastline through early Sunday, but most of us stay dry Sunday, and that sun will be coming out with a partly cloudy sky, and it'll be a little warmer for Mother's Day. So potential future rain isn't all that impressive for us. Unless you manage to get under a thunderstorm that produces heavy rain, you could get more than what you're seeing here. But in general, we're looking at 2/10 to a half an inch, but southern Texas could see 1 to 2 inches of rain. That's why the National Weather Service has issued a flash flood watch through tomorrow evening for the southern portion of the state. We are not included in that in our viewing area. All right, here's your forecast then tomorrow. Starting off a little cooler in those lower 60s in the morning, but only making it into the low to mid 70s for a mild afternoon tomorrow. We'll have a lot of cloud cover, and those northeast winds will be mild. In fact, a little breezy out there tomorrow, up to about 20 miles an hour, and you can see those rain chances. Notice the chance comes down as you head into the afternoon, and even in the morning it's still only about a 50-50 shot you'll get that rain, but nevertheless there'll be some out there early in the day, and that'll keep our temperatures down tomorrow with the clouds and those scattered showers early in the day. Mother's Day is looking pretty good. Whether you're cooking at home or having a barbecue, it looks nice to get outdoors Sunday, and the wind not too strong. It stays under 20 miles an hour with some afternoon sunshine, and not too hot either for Mother's Day with that lower humidity. So pretty good weather ahead this weekend if you like it a little cooler. However, the heat and humidity return next week. The end of the week, it'll start getting pretty steamy around here. We also have that slight chance of rain again next Tuesday. Have a great week.